Hi, I'm Michelle from MassageTools.com. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified massage therapist here to do another product demonstration. Today we're looking at the Spa Luxe stationary massage table. So let's get started. First of all, this table is 73 inches long by 30 inches wide. It's got this really nice soft touch upholstery, and it's got 3.5 inches of multi-layer foam system. Look at this plushness. It is so cozy. It's got these beautiful hand-stitched corners. They're nice and rounded on each of the corners. This table has a height range of 24 to 33 inches. So it's a great height range for any client or patient of any size. This table can hold up to 600 pounds, and it's made of very sturdy beechwood. So it's a super hardy table. The table also comes with the adjustable face rest and arm shelf here. You can adjust the face rest using this little lever here, and then you can just lock it into place. It also comes with outlets on both sides. So if you want to add a foot extender or a paper roll holder, there are extra outlets on this side. It's also got this really beautiful shelf, this open shelf underneath, so you can put a hot towel cabbie, you can put your towels. It's really convenient in a small little treatment room to have that extra little storage space. If you have any other questions about this product or any other products on our website, give us a call or reach us at massagetools.com. Thanks.